Deep Dive Video Script: How the Software Sector Can Make a Comeback in 2026. Video title: The Death of Per-Seat SaaS? How the Software Sector Can Rebound in 2026. Disclaimer: on-screen text plus voiceover. Midnight to 0:20 nothing in this video constitutes legal, medical, financial, or official advice. This is analysis and commentary based on public market trends and reports. News is news, not a call to action or investment recommendation. Always consult professionals and do your own research. Intro: 0:20 to 1:30. Visual: dramatic red stock crash chart fading to a split screen with AI agent icons taking over office desks. Alamy.com. eweek.com. Voiceover: last week, the SaaS sector lost over $800 billion in market cap in what analysts are calling Softwaremageddon. The S&P Software Index dropped 13%, its worst week since the 2022 bear market. The core issue? Investors are finally pricing in a future where autonomous AI agents replace dozens or hundreds of human seats. The traditional per-seat subscription model, the cash cow of the 2010s and early 2020s, is under existential threat. Today, we're diving deep: why the per-seat model is dying, how agentic AI like Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6 is accelerating the shift, what successful pivots look like, and, most importantly, how the software sector can stage a meaningful comeback in 2026 and beyond. Section 1. Understanding Softwaremageddon 1:30 to 4:30. Visual: red candlestick charts, headline scrolling, $800 billion wipeout graphic. Dreamstime.com. Alamy.com. Voiceover: the sell-off wasn't random. Public SaaS multiples collapsed from 12x ARR to sub-8x in many cases. Companies heavily reliant on per-seat pricing, think collaboration tools, CRM add-ons, and horizontal productivity suites, were hit hardest. Why? Early enterprise pilots of fully autonomous agents, like Anthropic's Claude Cowork platform, are showing 40 to 60% reductions in headcount for knowledge work tasks. When a company can replace 50 sales development reps with one AI agent subscription, they don't need 50 seats anymore. They need outcome-based billing tied to leads generated or deals closed. Section 2. The fundamental shift from per-seat to outcome/usage-based pricing, 4:30 to 9 o'clock. Visual: side-by-side pricing model evolution diagrams. Sendbird.com. Cloudblue.com. Scalecrush.io. Voiceover: the classic per-seat model worked when value was tied to human users. But agentic AI flips the unit of value to outcomes or API calls. Usage-based, pay-per-token/call already proven by OpenAI, Snowflake, and Twilio. Outcome-based, pay-per-closed deal, per support ticket resolved, per insight delivered emerging as the holy grail for vertical SaaS. Companies slow to pivot are seeing churn skyrocket as customers consolidate tools around AI-native platforms. Successful examples include hypothetical shifts: a major CRM adding native agentic workflows and moving 30% of revenue to outcome pricing within 18 months, stabilizing multiples. Section 3. The Agentic Era: Anthropic Opus 4.6 and Real-World Impact, 9 to 1300 hours. Visual: Claude agent workflow diagrams, AI robots managing complex tasks. Cobusgrailing.substack.com. acuvd.ai. esl.ai. medium.com. Voiceover: Opus 4.61 million token context and parallel subtask execution make it the first truly managerial AI. Early reports: enterprises using it for end-to-end campaign management, code review plus deployment, and even financial modeling with minimal oversight. This isn't Copilot, it's autopilot. And every autopilot deployed erodes the economic foundation of seat-based tools. Section 4. Defensive Plays, Consolidation, and Private Market Signals, 13 to 1600 hours. Voiceover: public markets punish slow movers, but private markets are betting on AI-native infrastructure. Ando, for $1 million seed, and Meridian, $17 million, target predictive scheduling and vertical agents, areas where outcome pricing is natural. Public side consolidation like Seismic plus HighSpot is defensive. Pool resources to build competing agentic features before Salesforce or Adobe eat the category entirely. Section 5. Privacy Backlash and Global Context, 16 to 1830. Visual. Mozilla Privacy Interface plus India AI Summit Imagery. PCWorld.com. Domain-b.com. Yahoo.com. Voiceover. Mozilla's one-click AI opt-out is a consumer win and a reminder. Data hunger fuels agents, but privacy regulation could slow adoption. Globally, the India AI Impact Summit underscores that emerging markets are building sovereign agent infrastructure, creating new competition and opportunity for outcome-focused tools in logistics and healthcare. Section 6. The Path to Recovery in 2026, 1830 to 2200 hours. Visual. Green Rebound Charts, AI-integrated upward trends. SiliconAngle.com. MarightChCapital.com. Voiceover. The winners in 2026 will fully embrace outcome or hybrid pricing, build or acquire agentic workflows, go vertical, generic horizontal tools lose to specialized agents, bundle AI infrastructure value rather than fight it. Multiples can re-rate to 10-12x again for companies that execute this pivot quickly. The sector isn't dying, it's evolving. Outro. 22:00. End. Softwaremageddon is a reckoning, not an obituary. The comeback is already being written by those monetizing outcomes, not seats. What do you think, dead model or evolution? Drop your take below. Video tags, YouTube optimized. Hashtag SaaS 2026, hashtag SoftwareMageddon, hashtag per-seat pricing, hashtag outcome-based pricing, hashtag agentic AI, hashtag Anthropic Opus, hashtag Claude AI, hashtag AI agents, hashtag SaaS